Today, we're diving into Limitless AI, an AI memory assistant that's been gaining some buzz. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's explore its features and see if it's worth your time and money. Limitless AI positions itself as a smart memory assistant designed to help users manage information more efficiently. It claims to enhance your productivity by organizing notes, reminders, and tasks in a way that's intuitive and accessible. As I navigated the platform, I noticed a clean interface that feels user-friendly, especially for those who may not be tech-savvy. The core functionality revolves around its ability to learn from your behavior and adapt to your preferences. This personalization aspect is intriguing as it aims to provide relevant suggestions based on your past interactions. However, I found some areas a bit vague, particularly around how it integrates with other tools or platforms. For users who rely on a specific ecosystem, this could be a deal breaker. Overall, Limitless AI seems like it targets professionals and students looking to streamline their workflow. But for someone who needs more robust integration or advanced features, there might be better options out there. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the user interface is straightforward, making it easy to get started. The personalized suggestions can save time, especially if you're managing a lot of tasks or notes. However, there are some notable downsides. One frustration is the limited integration options. If you use tools like Notion or Trello, you might find it lacking. Additionally, I couldn't find much information on customer support or community resources, which can be a red flag for potential users. Pricing is another concern. If you're on a tight budget, this might not be the best fit. In summary, while Limitless AI has its strengths, it may not suit everyone, especially those looking for something more comprehensive. So should you give Limitless AI a try? If you're someone who values simplicity and personalization, it could be worth exploring. But if you need extensive integrations or advanced features, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, my impression is cautiously optimistic, but I'd recommend doing your homework first before diving in.